disadvantage of taking alcohol or taking drugs. That child will tell you, are you my mother? Are you my parent? So please leave me alone. So sometimes they can come and they can beat you for nothing. So for me, I try. They can look at me. I'm a small boy. Say, you're telling me nothing.
Small man.
Yes.
Small boy.
Small boy. So
Not a man.
those people are not easy. But to help these people in the ghettos or the youth, as she has been saying, to counsel them. While counseling them, give them some practical things, like what to do, like making bath soap, while counseling him or her, like for them, like welding. I've seen something in the flyer. There's welding. Explain to them while giving them those things, those skills. So, that child will say, okay, what I'm doing is not good. Now I've got that skill. Let me focus on my what?